Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one is an iridium silver metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 17-inch alloys. Black MB text interior with a burl walnut trim. Panorama sunroof. C300 4MATIC badging. Open up the tailgate, we've got a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Heated seats, memory seats, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls. Also included is smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, dual clamping controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 26,835 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.